Okay.
Assalamualaikum sir, I'm Sarisha Anwar.
Okay. So, Walaikum Assalam. And you know all these
Sir, I
instructions?
want to ask you something.
Yes, beta.
Sir, which page is going on? Sir, I want to ask that
Yes.
when we are breaking matter, so sir, never it will be stopped like the Indians.
Yes, mute everyone.
We
Mute
can
everyone.
break matter, but it will be indivisible. Means one particle will be come that we cannot divide further. But sir, Greek scientists are saying that we can further break it.
Okay. Okay, we will discuss it inshallah. Okay. And first we continue the today's topic, and inshallah Isma, I will definitely give you your queries. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
okay, beta. So, beta, what I told you to read in physics, which what pages? What pages I
Sir,
told?
can I tell?
Yes,
Sir,
please.
26, 27, 28.
Okay. And please
Sir,
follow.
page number 26, 27 and 28.
Okay, beta, please follow instructions. Okay, after replying, immediately mute yourself. Okay. And the second
Okay,
is,
sir.
and remember, because media forget how, I don't know, still giving so many times of instructions, he opened the camera. I don't know what's the reason. Okay, so please, please, please do not open the camera. I'm saying again it to you. Okay, do not open the camera. Do not read or speak or write anything.
I want to ask that which page number?
Beta, I 26, 27. Okay. Who is open the camera? Who is this? Okay. I am starting. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Mute everyone. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I can read.
Yes. Read it.
Sir, can I read, please?
Yes,
From
please.
measurement.
Can I? Sir, I said first.
Okay. You start reading. Okay. Who
Sir, I
comes?
read.
Who comes first? Will start. Will read first.
Sir, I'm reading.
Yes.
Measurement of temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness of an object is called its temperature. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, symbol K, but the more commonly used units are degree Celsius, symbol C, and degree Fahrenheit, symbol F. The Celsius, also called centigrade, scale is based on the scale developed by Anders Celsius. On this scale, the freezing point of water is taken as 0 and the boiling point as 100.
horse is not coming.
Okay.
The difference between these two fixed points is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part corresponds to 1 degree Celsius.
Okay. So, what is temperature basically?
Sir, the hotness or coldness of an
It
object.
tells the degree of hotness and the coldness of the object.
When we use the thermometer, we will
Hotness and
see
coldness degree of the
the
object is called
less and
temperature.
hotness. It is the temperature.
It is the temperature. Basically, what is temperature? Okay, when you touch anything, okay, either you feel some hotness or you feel some coldness. Okay,
Coldness.
okay. So the degree of hotness, okay, and the degree how much a thing is hot, how much the thing is cold. This of an object of anything will give you the temperature of that body. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
temperature is basically the amount of what thing, the amount of the thing, how much it is hot or how much it is cold will give you the temperature of that particular object or thing. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, when we touch something, so it is hot or cold, that thing is called temperature.
Yes. Okay. So
It tells the degree of hotness.
okay. Yeah, so basically this thing is understood by everyone. What is temperature?
Sir, temperature.
Yes, sir.
We
It is the
feel
degree of hotness and the coolness of
that's all the temperature.
Okay, so this thing is
I
clear to
can
you.
read.
Sir,
I can read.
hotness force of an object is called temperature.
Okay,
Sir, I can read.
wait. Okay, first of all, Isma, mute yourself. Okay. Okay. So basically, what is temperature? I am telling it again. Mandasha, mute yourself. The degree of hotness.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir.
Alaikum Assalam, Naba. Beta, mute yourself. Okay, basically, I am explaining and then I will ask you questions what you understood in today's lecture. Okay, boys and girls, be sincere and listen it carefully, attentively. Okay, so basically, temperature is what we called as it's a degree of hotness, or we can say it's a degree of coldness. Is it clear to everyone? This is the
Yes, sir.
basic definition. Okay, so there are different units. Okay, for measuring the temperature. Okay, like Kelvin, or we have another unit called Celsius. Okay, very good. And still we have another. Still we have another unit called Fahrenheit. Okay, so we have 3 units. Okay, Kelvin number 1, number 2 is Celsius, and number 3 is Fahrenheit. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
If-
sir.
Okay, very good, mashallah. So,
I can read now.
beta, let me
Kelvin
explain,
and Fahrenheit.
beta, let me explain
Yes,
this
sir.
topic and then I'll ask you the question. So, listen this class attentively. Okay. So, Celsius. Okay. Who will tell you what is the another name of Celsius? Okay, I will ask the name of that person. He will tell me. Okay.
Sir, ice.
Ayman Hussain, are you there, beta? Ayman Hussain?
Sir, what is the question? Can you please tell me?
Okay, the question is, what is the another name of Celsius? If you read the
Sir,
chapter,
it's
yes, huh?
Centigrade.
Centigrade.
Very good. Okay.
Centigrade.
Yes, yes. Beta, mute yourself. How can I?
Sir, it is known as centigrade.
Beta,
The
okay,
Celsius is also called centigrade.
that's very good. Okay, I am beta again repeating my instructions immediately after replying the answer. Please turn off your mic. Okay. Celsius the second name. Yes, that's right. Sarah, you wrote it right on the chat box. Okay. So Celsius is the another name, and Anders Celsius is a person who discovered or developed this thing, Celsius. Okay. Is it clear, beta? Anders Celsius.
Yes, sir.
Listen, this thing, there are several names which will be coming right now. Who discovered that thing and what are the different units and what are the boiling points and melting points. Remember these things because listen, remember these things. Mandasha, why you open the mic? You want to say something? So please listen this carefully because you know what? Many students got bad marks. Okay, in chemistry. I will tell you right now after the class. Okay. So if you are
Sir,
not,
where is the name written?
it is written.
Where is the name written?
It is written, see, on page number 26. Okay. In the second paragraph, the Fahrenheit scale was developed by Daniel Gabriel. Fahrenheit is the name of the who discovered Fahrenheit, and Anders Celsius, who discovers the Celsius scale. Okay.
Yes, sir. Found it.
Okay. Okay. That's good.
Okay, sir.
So this thing is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Who
Boys,
discovered Fahrenheit?
Nava and
I
Mandasha.
cannot understand this Fahrenheit scale.
Okay, I am telling it again. I am saying that for measuring the temperature, okay, there are 3 units in which Kelvin is the standard unit. Okay, is it clear? SI unit for measuring the temperature is Kelvin, and another units for measuring the temperatures are Celsius, which is also called as centigrade. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And besides,
Yes, sir.
listen, beta, mute yourself, please. besides Celsius, there is another unit for measuring the temperature, and it is called as Fahrenheit. Okay, and it is abbreviated as degree F, and Celsius is abbreviated as degree C. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Please listen it carefully, because if you listen it, then only then you are able to answer in the test. Okay. Because many, I'll tell you what are the mistakes you did in the test. I will tell you also. Okay, so that in the upcoming test you will not repeat the same mistakes. So now we come to another unit. Okay, that is
मत
is-
को तेरी सलाम
who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Ruqayya, Khurshid, what happened? Why you turn on the mic? Yes. Amina, Rehan, still. Okay, I'm saying, I'm reading. Okay. So on Celsius scale, okay, the freezing point, what is the freezing point of water? At what temperature water freezes?
Zero.
At zero. But remember, okay, that's very good. This is right, zero. But beta, this is important to mention the unit. What is zero? Is 0 degree Celsius, or is 0 degree Fahrenheit, or is 0 degree Kelvin?
Celsius.
Yes,
0
very
degree
good.
Celsius.
So, so remember this thing. Whenever you say zero, so it is necessary and compulsory to write.
degree Celsius.
Exactly, I'm saying the same thing. It is necessary to put the unit, as I told in earlier, where we are talking about meters, centimeters. Okay, measurements are there. So it is compulsory, because information is not delivered completely. What is zero? What is the unit then? Zero is just a magnitude. Okay. And you know that water boils at what temperature?
100 degree.
100
100
degrees.
degree
Celsius.
Very good. 100 degrees Celsius
degrees.
or 100 degrees
100
centigrade.
degree Celsius.
Very good, mashallah. Okay. So it's very good. So it's 100 degree, or we can,
degree Celsius.
okay, or we can say it's 100 degree.
is 1K.
I'm coming to that topic also. Please wait. Have patience. Okay, beta. So remember this thing, that here is again the difference between the two fixed points. Okay, means boiling point and freezing point, there are 100 equal parts. Okay, and as there are 100 equal parts, so one each part corresponds to 1 degree Celsius. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir. It's boiling.
yes, so this thing is clear to you, that 0 degree is the freezing point of water in the unit of Celsius, and 100 degree is the boiling point in the unit of Celsius again.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Okay, I'm trying again. I'm saying again. And 0 degree is the freezing point of water in Celsius unit, and 100 degree is the boiling point of water in Celsius unit or centigrade unit. So, and remember this thing, in freeze, and there are 100 equal parts. Okay, and as there are 100 equal parts, so each part corresponds to 1 degree. Okay. Okay, so this paragraph is clear to you, because this paragraph is very important. A lot of
Yes, sir.
questions will be made.
sir.
A lot of questions.
Sir, I'm not get from here. The difference between these two fixed point is divided.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I am-
Yes, sir.
listen it. I am saying that as there are 0 degree, your boiling, and as a 0 degrees your freezing, and boiling is 100. So between 0 to 100, there are 100 divisions. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is written? There are 100 equal parts, and each part, it corresponds to 1 degree Celsius.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. So please sure. Okay, and this thing is clear to you. Now we are coming. We are coming to the next unit.
Okay, sir. The Fahrenheit scale.
Right.
Right, yes.
The next is Kelvin scale.
Listen, I am telling you, beta, and please,
ये रे वो पड़े हुए
वो जरूरी है वाइट से
वाइट ज्यादा सही होते हैं
who open the mic, still you are not following. I don't know why. What should I do that you will start following the instructions? You are mature enough, huh? You are in big class now, and you are disturbing the class again. Open the mic, you forget the things, huh? Okay, now come to another scale which is called as Fahrenheit scale. Okay, in the second paragraph, the Fahrenheit scale was developed by, who developed the Fahrenheit scale? It's Daniel Gabriel. Okay, the full name is Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. Yes, he was the person who discovered, who developed another scale for measuring the temperature called as Fahrenheit scale. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see the
Yes,
differences.
sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
listen, students, now see the differences.
Sir, can tell again. There
Okay.
was not coming clear.
Okay, I am telling it again. Please listen it carefully. As Celsius scale was developed by Anders Celsius. Okay, so as we know that there is another unit in which temperature can be measured, and that unit is called as Fahrenheit. Okay, so in Fahrenheit, who discovered, yeah, who developed Fahrenheit scale? So remember, beta, what is going on? Hamza Kamal, will you ask me something? Why you open the
Sir,
mic?
Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit developed the Fahrenheit
I'm-
scale.
I am telling this now, beta. When I'm going to ask you question, then you will open your mic. Okay, now I am explaining this chapter to you. Please turn off your mic, everyone. When I ask you to tell me the answer, then you will open it again. Okay, is it clear now? Don't say yes. Okay, I understood you are saying yes. Okay. Okay, the next one is Fahrenheit scale, and it was discovered or developed by Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. Listen this thing. Some of the students didn't write the correct spellings as I checked in the chemistry test paper. So please, students, remember the spelling also. Okay, I am not cut the marks, but onwards I will cut the marks on spelling also. Now you are in sixth class and still you are unable to write the correct spelling. So Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit was the person who discovered the Fahrenheit scale. And the important thing is that, you know, freezing point of water, as we discussed right now, is 100 degree, but it is in Celsius scale. Okay. Now, what is the freezing point of water? Okay, in Fahrenheit scale. So we know that the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit scale is 32 degree, and in Celsius
Yes,
scale,
sir.
and Celsius scale, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. And if we convert it into, or if we change it into Fahrenheit scale, that it will come.
Sir, I cannot understand Kelvin scale.
Beta, first of all, I am not telling about the Kelvin scale. This thing you put in your mind. I am right now. I'm telling about the Fahrenheit scale, beta. I am telling.
what are the examples of Fahrenheit?
Beta, Fahrenheit is a scale of measuring the temperature. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Sir, it is a scale which is for measuring.
it is used for measuring the temperatures, the degree of hotness or coldness.
Okay, sir. Like thermometer.
Exactly. Okay. So remember the difference. Okay. In Fahrenheit scale, water freezes at 32 degree Fahrenheit, and in Celsius scale, water freezes at 0 degree. So this is a big difference. You should remember this thing. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this thing is
Sir,
clear to
voice
you.
is not clear.
Okay, as we know that in Celsius scale there are 100 equal parts. So as in also Fahrenheit scale there are 180 equal parts. Okay, so remember this thing. Such type of questions will also be asked. So concentrate on the topic. Okay, a fill in the blank will come and ask how many divisions are there in Fahrenheit scale. Okay, so you should remember this thing. Okay, is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
I am asking some after the class questions. Okay. So I am completing it first and then I'll ask you the questions. Immediately you have to respond me.
Okay,
Okay.
so where we use Fahrenheit?
Beta, I am telling it also. Beta, this is up to you. Okay. Whether you use it or not, you have to convert it also. Okay. If you want to convert.
sir, I just wanted to say that mostly Celsius is used for measuring the
measuring the
weather
body
and
temperature.
Fahrenheit for
Yes,
body temperature.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, you are right. You see also in the thermometer which we are using in our homes, there are two
Yeah.
scales are there. Okay, at the one side is written Celsius, okay, degree C, and on the other side is written degree F. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So beta, as it is 100 division in Celsius and in Fahrenheit scale, there are 180 equal divisions or equal parts. Okay, now we are coming to Kelvin scale. These two things are clear to you, Celsius and Fahrenheit?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good, mashallah. So now we are coming to Kelvin scale. Okay, beta?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So beta, listen, Kelvin scale is also developed by some person whose name was Lord Kelvin. Okay. So three names I am told today. One, the person who discovered Celsius scale, that is Anders Celsius. The another person who discovered the Fahrenheit scale was Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit, and the third one who discovered the Kelvin scale was Lord Kelvin. Okay. Another important thing is that in Kelvin scale, water freezes at 273.16 Kelvin. Okay. So you see the difference.
sir.
You see the differences. First, water boils at 0 degree in Celsius scales. Then water boils at 32 degree, 212 degree in Fahrenheit scale. And now in Kelvin scale, water boils at 373.16 Kelvin. Okay. So such type of fill in the blanks, such type of true false, such type of one word answer will come inshallah. So be prepared for that. And whenever you start, whenever you are, yes,
Okay, sir.
Sir, I want to ask what is the example of Kelvin Celsius?
beta Kelvin is a
Sir, I
scale.
want to ask where we use Kelvin scale.
Beta Kelvin scale, you see, you can also use in nowadays, or you can see in our when we want to note our body temperature. Okay, there is also Kelvin scale. Okay, this is up to us.
Like thermometer.
Like it is up to us whether we telling the unit in Celsius degree in Celsius, or we have to telling the unit in Fahrenheit. Okay, as we know that as we are converting the unit in meter to centimeter and centimeter to meter, it is up to us in which unit we have to give the reply. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
Okay, sir.
okay, so listen it okay. Now please Darem, turn off your mic. Darem, turn off. Muhammad Darem. Yes. So another thing is that what do you mean by thermometer? Yes, Rashid Ali, please tell me what do you understand by the term thermometer? What is that? What is thermometer?
Thermometer.
Yes.
The thermometer is used to measure
Beta,
the temperature of human body.
beta, this question is asked to, I asking this question to Rashid Ali. Who is opening the mic again?
Yes, ma'am, sir, I.
Tell me.
Rashid Ali only.
Rashid, you tell me.
Sir, what question, sir?
I am saying that Abdullah bin Umar, Abdullah, please turn off. Beta, Abdullah, please turn off your mic. Beta, I am saying that what do you mean by the term thermometer?
Sir, we mean by thermometer that
Can I?
Fahrenheit develop.
sir, can I tell?
Wait, beta.
Sir, can I tell?
Wait.
Sir, can I tell?
Wait, beta.
May I tell?
Basically, thermometer is an instrument. Okay, as we have
Instrument for checking a temperature. Sir,
Okay.
a thermometer is for checking a
Body
somewhat
temperature.
piercing body temperature of human.
Okay.
measure our body temperature.
Okay, basically it is an instrument which is used to record.
It carries, sir.
Okay, mute yourself, everyone. Okay, it is basically an instrument. It is a device which is used to note down. It is used to measure the temperature. Okay, so what you see, all of you see the thermometer at your home. Okay, you are aware of it. Thermometer. It has a small bulb at the beginning. Okay, in which
Yes.
mercury is filled. Okay, and
Hello,
okay,
ma'am.
there is a stamp behind. Okay, there is a scale on which the mercury raises and tells us the temperature of the body. Okay, so basically, yes, you are getting me. All of us,
Yes, sir.
all of you see the
Yes, sir.
thermometer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So, what is the color of mercury?
Sir, silver.
It's a
Sir,
silver.
silver color.
Okay,
Mercury planet.
it's a silver
Sir, you
color.
are
Sir, silver color.
Yes,
Silver color.
mercury is a silver color, and
Silver.
yes, it's a silver color, and it is a shiny surface. Okay, it's a shining thing. Okay, is it clear?
It is in the blood.
Yes, sir.
Is mercury blood. Blood is mercury.
No, no, bulb. Basically,
Yes.
when you jerk the thermometer, at the bottom there is something bulb. Okay, in which the mercury stands. Okay,
yes, sir.
and when we put the thermometer under the tongue or under the arms, it will raises the temperature. Okay, and mercury start rising on the scale. Is it clear? And
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and after one
Yes,
or two,
sir.
and after listen, and after 1 or 2 minutes, what will you see? You see that some reading is shown on the scale, and this
Yes, sir.
reading and this reading tells
Yes,
you the temperature of your body. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
so
sir.
so this thing, this is the way how thermometer works. Okay.
Sir, can you tell again how thermometer works?
Okay, you see thermometer.
चार्ज तो है देखे
Mute everyone. Mohammad Yusuf Azmi.
91% था
Beta, Mohammad Yusuf Azmi, you open the mic. I don't know what you are saying. Some back voices are coming from the behind. Okay, I am
Sir?
telling you how thermometer works. Basically, thermometer consists of a bulb. Bulb means it is a part where mercury stores. Okay, it is the beginning of the thermometer. Okay, you see the silvery part, that is called bulb, and the part where you see the scale where it is written 0C means degree Celsius, or 0F, or we can say degree Fahrenheit. That part is called the stem of the scale. Okay, you can see on page number 27 there is a figure. Okay, bulb is shown under the heading of figure 2.11, a clinical thermometer. All of you saw it, seen this? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, what is a clinical thermometer?
Sir, there is a pink also.
Okay.
Sir, what is
So
a clinical thermometer?
clinical thermometer are generally used for measuring the temperatures. Okay, the thermometer which are using by doctors. Okay,
Sir,
so
can you speak some louder?
I'm speaking very loud. Okay, please check your connection.
Sir, you are speaking very loud.
Okay, so you understood this thing, how thermometer works? Yes, beta. Mandasha, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we understood what
Mandasha, please.
clinical thermometer.
You can tell again.
Okay, I'm telling it again. Yes, anyone can reply me how thermometer works?
Sir, I can tell.
Yes, you can tell me.
Thermometer works for
Hamza,
thermometer works like to if the anybody is in fever, the blood stamp is called thermometer.
you very much.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, please, beta.
Sir, the thermometer.
So I can tell.
No.
Sir, the
Naba Fatma is
thermometer
telling.
Can I tell?
Naba, please
we
tell.
understand by the term of thermometer is that it is used to measure the body temperature of something. How to use thermometer? Thermometer is is having a metal inside it which is known as mercury, and it is silver and shiny. It is stored in the bulb of the thermometer, and the bulb of thermometer is
Yes, beta, what happened?
and the bulb of the thermometer is at the end of the thermometer. And when an object is hot, so the mercury in the bulb expands and rises above. And when the bulb come in contact, when the bulb feels that the object is cold, then the mercury just contracts it down and gets down to the tube.
Very
gets
good, very
down.
good. Very good. Okay, so this is the way how thermometer works. Basically, three things you have to tell. That first of all, how thermometer is made of. Thermometer consists of a bulb and a stem and a scale in it. Okay. Mercury is filled inside the bulb, and when this thermometer comes in contact with the hot body or cold body, mercury expand or contract accordingly. Okay, then it starts raising it on the scale, and after 1 or 2 minutes, when you put this thermometer under the tongue or under the arm, then it will 1 or 2 minutes. It will when it mercury starts raising. Okay, then it will give you the temperature of your body. So this is the way of noting down the temperature of a body. Okay, remember this thing important, that it is not always that mercury is filled in the bulb. Okay, sometimes colored alcohol is used instead of mercury. Okay, remember these things. Two things are used for measuring the temperature, or we can say that two materials are used in thermometer inside the bulb. One is mercury. Mercury can also be used inside the bulb for measuring the temperature. And another thing which is also used is we can say that colored alcohol. Okay, colored alcohol is also used for measuring the thermometer. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alcohol.
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 Yes, yes. Alcohol is also used. Okay. And now comes to another topic, that is clinical thermometer. You already know clinical thermometer. Okay.
Sir, which chapter
Yes,
you are?
sir. It is thermometer from
27 na?
which,
27.
27 page number?
27. Yes, yes, beta, 27.
from which we measure the temperature of
Clinical thermometer is used to
Yes.
measure the temperature.
Fayyaz,
From which we measure the temperature is known as
from which we
Abdullah bin
measure the
Umar.
temperature
Abdullah bin
of
Umar,
the
be
body.
online. Abdullah bin Umar. Abdullah bin Umar, please get online.
Yes, sir.
Start reading it. Okay, the last paragraph. Clinical thermometer. Beta, who is speaking?
Sir, I
Beta,
can read.
Abdullah.
Sir, I can read. Sir, I can read.
95 degree. Sir, can I?
Abdullah
Sir,
bin
I
Umar.
can.
Beta, I once
Do not shout.
40 degrees Celsius.
Beta, are you Abdullah bin Umar? I'm asking this to Abdullah bin Umar. And why the other friends open their mic?
In the
Abdullah, please
Is there-
read it fast.
above the bulb to ensure that the mercury does not move back into the bulb once the thermometer is taken out of the mouth. Clinical thermometers are considered unsafe because of the mercury. If they break, the mercury inside them poses serious health hazards. Therefore, nowadays digital thermometers are more commonly used to measure body temperature.
Okay. So what is given here? First of all, it is given how to note down the temperature. Second thing is that is given that mercury do not as mercury is poisonous, so it is do not break the mercury. Okay. So it will cause, if it will break the, you will break the curry, and if it is come into your mouth, then it will become a serious health hazard. Okay. Abdullah bin Umar, please mute yourself immediately. How many times I told this thing? Okay, now comes to laboratory thermometer. Okay, as it is mentioned, the term laboratory. So it already understood that this type of thermometer is used in labs. Okay. Is it clear? Here, the
Yes, sir.
marking scale starts from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. Okay. Is it clear? And in clinical thermometer, the scale starts from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, or in Fahrenheit, it starts from 95 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Okay, sir.
okay. Yes, friends. So this topic is clear to you. What is temperature? What is Kelvin? What is Fahrenheit?
Clear.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I can read.
Okay. Just read fast. Okay.
The human body temperature will be not go below 35 Celsius or above 42 Celsius. There is silent skin in the stem just above the bulb to the inner ensure that the mercury does not move back into the bulb. Once the temperature is taken out of the mouth, silence is called silencing thermometer are constitute uses to say because of the mercury. If they break the mercury inside them, nowadays digital thermometer are more commonly used to measure body temperature. So don't.
Okay, I know. Okay, so remember these things. There are two types. I am brief today's lecture. There are three different units of measuring the temperature. The SI unit is Kelvin, and other units are centigrade and Fahrenheit. Is it clear? Another thing here, there are two types of scales. Okay, one is clinical scale, and another one is a laboratory thermometer, or we can say laboratory scale for measuring the temperature. Okay, so clinical thermometer is there and laboratory thermometer is there. Okay, beta, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So students, yes, students, listen to me. First, listen to me. Okay, please mute everyone.
sir.
Okay, very good, Jazakallah. So please start reading from the first chapter. As you have given the chemistry test, inshallah, I will announce the physics test also. Okay, so start
Sir, you
reading.
have not tell the marks of chemistry.
Beta,
test.
are you not following? Are you not listening the class? Are you not reading
In
the
chemistry period, after this chemistry period, sir will give us
several
tell
times?
us our marks.
This is the fourth or fifth time I'm replying the same answer. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, many days gone, you have not tell the marks, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
listen, I'm telling, I will
Okay,
tell you
tell.
the chemistry today's, okay, in the next coming class. Okay, so please, boys especially, please read the second chapter carefully in physics. Okay, I will notify you, inshallah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Listen to me.
Okay, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
so
can I say something?
before,
Sir.
listen to me.
Sir, after this chemistry classes here.
Yes.
Yes.
So
Okay, sir.
if you have any
Yes.
query, if you have any type of numerical problem in physics, okay, you can ask me. Okay, so you have a, I think you have a,
So please assign the
Sir, I have-
assignment.
yes, what thing?
Yes,
I
sir.
have.
Exercise 5.4.
Beta, exercise 5.4 is, which period is this?
Sir, I have one query from physics.
Yes, beta, please.
Sir, it is from chapter 1.
Yes, beta, it is from chapter 1. Will you give two chapters at a single time?
No. Gases do not